The Office of the Cabinet Secretary was scrapped by virtue of PBBM's first executive order in 2022. Will he announce a new order now that the CabSec position is back?
What do you mean? Executive order?
Yes po.
Okay, iba po kasi ang posisyon na ibinigay ng Pangulo kay CabSec Benhar Abalos. At ito po ang aking masasabi. CabSec Benhar's appointment is the President's way of redefining the CabSec position, pursuant to his authority to reorganize the executive branch, particularly the Office of the President. And second, plenary power to appoint. The President has the plenary power to appoint. Okay, and instead of a CabSec focus on managing the President's cabinet meetings, ang utos ni Presidente kay CabSec Benhar ay siguruduhing nararamdaman at napapakinabangan ng bawat Pilipino ang mga serbisyo ng gobyerno. And as CabSec, President Marcos Jr. also directed him to go around the country to represent him and call on the cabinet members to help address the concerns of the public. All these tasks are embodied in CabSec Benhar's terms of references attached to his appointment.
And so different po ito sa position ni Sec Lagdameo as Special Assistant to the President.
Yes, iba po ito.
And ma'am, last question, sorry. Was Sec Abalos considered for any other positions?
Wala po. Ito po ang ibinigay sa kanya dahil makikita niyo naman po na ang tiwala ng Pangulo kay CabSec Benhar Abalos ay buong buo. At kaya itong function na ito ang ibinigay sa kanya para mas mapalawak pa ng Pangulo ang pagsisilbi at makakaikot si CabSec Benhar Abalos sa bawat rehiyon para mas maramdaman nga ng bawat kababayan natin ang tulong ng gobyerno.